the school sports day. It's a big day at school, sports day. Amir, Liam, Jabari, and Carlos are excited to start their first race of the day.
On your marks, get set, go!
All the boys take off running, their legs moving as fast as they can. Amir is leading the race, with Carlos right behind him. Suddenly, Liam trips and falls, but Amir, Jabari, and Carlos stop running to help their friend. Are you okay, Liam?
I'm fine. Let's keep going.
Instead of competing, the boys decide to finish the race together, laughing and enjoying the run. They cross the finish line all at once, proud to finish the race as a team. The crowd cheers for their teamwork and kindness. After the race, the boys sit down together to have a snack and rest before the next event.
That was so much fun. I can't wait for the obstacle course.
Next up is the obstacle course. The boys are ready for another exciting challenge.
Let's do it together again.
During the obstacle course, the boys help each other through each challenge, showing teamwork and friendship. At the end of the day, the boys receive ribbons for their great effort and teamwork. They learned that having fun and working together is the most important part.
This was the best sports day ever.